Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Lesson number 4. The history of taxes and the power of corporations. Let's read what Rich Dad said about Poor Dad. He gets paid to spend money and hire people. The more he spends and the more people he hires, the larger his organization, the government, becomes. In the government, a larger organization is more respected, but a larger government needs to gather more taxes. As for Rich Dad, who is an entrepreneur, the fewer people he hires, the less money he spends, the more respect he will get from his investors. The government ideal is to have no excess money, which means that they will spend all the money that they get so that they can get the same amount of money or more in next year's budget. Business people, on the other hand, are applauded to have excess money and for efficiency. This is why the rich and the entrepreneurs have learned how to pay the least amount of taxes. For example, by the law, where income tax rate of a corporation is less than the individual tax rate. And in addition, some expenses could be paid with pre-taxed money from a corporation. Mr. Kiyosaki says, if you work for money, you give the power to your employer. If money works for you, you have the control and the power over money. Knowledge is power, and with money comes great power. That requires the right knowledge to keep it and make it grow, aka financial literacy. The 4 things of financial intelligence or financial IQ are learning accounting, investing, understanding markets, and with markets, not just stock market. If you want to get into real estate, you need to understand the real estate market, and knowing the law, such as how to gain tax advantages and protection from lawsuits. Here's a summary. Business owners with corporations: 1. Earn. 2. Spend. 3. Pay taxes. Employees who work for corporations: 1. Earn. 2. Pay taxes. 3. Spend. So which of these do you want to be? Do you want to pay taxes first or last?